Hi, my name is George. I've been doodling for maybe 45, 50 years. I started when I was really young. So, um, you can doodle on every surface that you can think of. In this case, I'm using a plain white piece of paper, and I'm using um, for the pen is Zebra F301 BP 0.7 millimeter. This is the pen I do use to doodle on the bus, again on plain piece of paper, as well as in the waiting rooms for my various doctors. As you can tell, I have a problem speaking. I had a stroke the tail end, well, in July of last year, and I couldn't speak at all. So I am going through various forms of therapy, like speech therapy and uh, physical therapy and occupational therapy. If you're liking this video so far, um, I put out a video at least once a week, depending upon the um, number of therapies I'm going through. It may be just the one, but I also um, end up putting out maybe additional videos throughout the week. So if you want to subscribe, that would be great. So here I'm basically drawing in various shapes that I don't know what I'm going to do with, but the first step for me is to apply a little bit of channel around the shape. Um, that way, when I do another shape that maybe connects it to another, the shadow is already established, and the additional shadow reinforces it. So, for example, when I channelize the orbs, and when I draw in the arch, I apply a shadow to that as well, and that the way it connects one to the other. I find that I like to include arches. In this case, I'm doing one now, which may be arched by itself, or in this case, I am probably going to do a door or a doorway, and then from that, I'm probably going to do another archway, but who knows? So if you're liking this video, consider liking hitting the like button, and maybe share it with friends that you think would like it as well. It really helps my channel because the more likes I get and shares, and the longer you watch it through completion, the more YouTube likes my video and will suggest it for other people. So, thanks. Again, I'm establishing the words I have a problem with are words that have more than 2 or 3 syllables. The ones that are easy now are single syllable words. With this one, I like to include a bit of organic life. In this case, a leaf. So again, I'm going around the objects and establishing a bit of shadow work. And starting to upload my videos in 1080p, which is great. I'm doing it on my computer now. I like it. It's, for me, the more detail you can see, the better. So, see, I like arches a lot. Another element I like to include in my random doodles like this are doorways and windows that you can see in the latter or the left hand side of the bottom. When you do windows or doors, you can put objects or scenes in the background beyond the windows and doors. I like to do doodles that are, every time you look at my doodles, you find something different. And I like to include faces as well. Not the faces are kind of in the shadow and don't offer a lot of detail, because I think when you offer a lot of detail, then you take yourself out of the doodle as a whole and examine the face as part of a separate doodle, if that makes sense. So here I'm starting to add some detail. Um, the free flow of the overall doodle, once that's established, you can start to add your details, and the details, by contrast, will be more pronounced. So I'll let the music take over, and when I have some sorry about the blurriness of this. Every so often, my phone, which I'm trying to save up money for, um, thinks my hand and my pen are more important than what I'm doing. So, sorry about that. I recently started um, buy me a coffee. It's a way for, hopefully, I can save some money to get a new phone. Basically, it's a way for people who like my videos to help me or help by supporting me by buying me a coffee. Although I don't really um, drink coffee, I drink a lot of water. Um, anyway, if you're so inclined, you can click the link in the description and, and donate. And then what I'll do is in future of videos, I will have your name up here, and hopefully um, you'll donate. But if you're poor like me, don't worry about it. Watching my videos are payment enough. And thanks for the new subscribers that have joined me in my art journey. So the video I am going to recommend you see now is the first one that I did in this style. If you enjoyed this one, check out this one now. Again, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video and got inspired today. Until next time, have a great one.